Good evening. This is the Sunday night weekly weather briefing for South Mississippi and Southeast Louisiana. The weather this week is going to be warm, but mainly unsettled for most of the week. We expect daytime highs across the area to be in the upper 70s to lower 80s for most areas all week, although right along the Mississippi coast especially, temperatures will be a few degrees cooler. We do expect isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms, mainly during the afternoon hours, starting on Tuesday and occurring pretty much each day through the end of the week. We may see a cold frontal passage next weekend, which would dry things out toward the end of the weekend and possibly cool things off a little. We are not looking at any organized severe weather or heavy rainfall at this time. Looking at the rivers quickly, the Pearl River will remain in flood for Bogalusa and Pearl River through the work week, but are expected to fall below flood stage next weekend. The Mississippi River is expected to fall below flood stage at Donaldsonville this week, but will remain in flood at Baton Rouge and Red River Landing through next weekend and most likely through the following week. Looking at the rainfall forecast through next weekend, rain amounts will generally be an inch or less across the area, with the heaviest amounts north of Interstate 10. Areas down toward Houma may see 1/2 inch or less. River forecasts, there are quite a few points that were in flood stage last week that have fallen below flood stage. And as mentioned earlier, there will be a few more dropping out during the week. To review, Red River Landing is currently at 54.9 feet. It'll go up another 1/10 of a foot over the next few days. Baton Rouge at 37.6 feet will crest at 38 feet on Tuesday. Donaldsonville will also crest on Tuesday and then fall below flood stage later in the week. Bogalusa at 19.6 feet will crest just under 20 feet tomorrow or early Tuesday and fall below flood stage next weekend. The Pearl River at Pearl River is currently at 15.5 feet and will fall below flood stage next Saturday. Graham Ferry on the Pascagoula River has already crested, is falling, and should fall below flood stage on Tuesday. Just to review quickly, warm but unsettled weather is expected this week, with daytime highs upper 70s to lower 80s for most areas all week, but a little cooler right along the Mississippi coastline. Isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected mainly during the afternoon hours each day beginning on Tuesday and continuing through the end of the week. We may see a cold frontal passage next weekend, but no organized severe weather or heavy rainfall is expected through the end of the week. The Pearl River will remain in flood for Pearl River and Bogalusa until next weekend, and the Mississippi River will fall below flood stage at Donaldsonville this week, but remain in flood at Baton Rouge and Red River Landing. That concludes the briefing for the week, and we hope that you have a quiet and successful week.